English speaking course.
What do you do for fun? Hey, don't forget that I'm going to your house to play video games this weekend.
Oh, Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday, bro.
All right.
What do you often do for fun on the weekends? Do you play video games alone?
No, I watch cartoons. Or play badminton with my dad. I only play video games with friends.
Oh, I see.
How about you? What do you do for fun?
Me? Well, I just lay on my bed to read comics. Sometimes I listen to music while sleeping.
Wow, you're such a real introvert.
Completely true. Sports will never be my cup of tea when having free time. Hey, what are you guys talking about? We're talking about hobbies, Rachel.
By the way, what do you do for fun, Rachel?
Well, I just utilize my free time to do as much homework as I can.
Really? But homework is not a fun thing to do.
I don't have anything else to do, Tom. You can try some outdoor activities like going shopping. Or you can relax by playing board games with friends.
There are a lot of things to entertain you, Rachel.
Nah, I just don't find them interesting. You said that because you've never tried them.
Forget it, Kim. She won't listen to us.
See you guys later. Hey, we should think about what we do for fun this weekend.
You mean after we play video games?
Yes, I'm gonna stay at your house until 5 p.m.
Do you want to go to the cinema?
Staring at screens for too long is a bad idea, Tom.
I don't know what else to do. And I bet you don't want to play any sports with me.
Yeah, you're right.
How about going for a walk?
Do you really want to?
Yeah, I know a beautiful place to watch the sunset. Wanna join me?
That's not bad. I'll go along with that idea.
All right. Oh, it's time to go back to the lessons.
See ya. Jenny! Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, Lisa. Don't you see I'm doing my homework? I'm bored, Jenny. You can play with Mom. I'm really busy. Mom's going shopping at the moment. Then you can play alone. Sometimes I just wonder what you do for fun, Jenny. I'd rather scroll my phone all day long than play toys with you. Hey, that hurt. Playing with toys makes me happy. It doesn't work with me, Lisa. All right. Hey, I'm sorry for having said such things to you. That's okay. We're sisters. Can I play with you now? Sure. Glad you want to. What else do you do for fun, Lisa? Well, I ride a bike with my friends in the afternoon. How about you? I never see you leave your room. You can guess. Oh, tell me, what do you do for fun? There must be something other than scrolling your mobile phone. Well, sometimes I go to the coffee shop to chit-chat with my best friends. Or we can go shopping to buy stuff we want. It also relieves stress. Wow, I wish I had money to hang out with friends like you. Mom will give you some when you grow up a little more. Are you curious about what Mom does for fun?
I think she will go to the spa with her friends. Or maybe cooking is her hobby.
Really? What makes you think so?
'Cause she seems really excited whenever she tries to cook new dishes.
Maybe you're right.
What about our dad? In your opinion, what does he do for fun?
Well, he likes gardening. Our garden is full of different flowers because Dad waters them every day.
Sometimes I see him playing golf with his colleagues.
Yeah, that can be one of his hobbies.
Do you think our family has something similar when talking about hobbies?
Maybe we both enjoyed traveling?
Yeah, you're right. That's why we always have at least one trip a month. I find that quite interesting.
Yeah, one of my favorite trips was when we went to Vietnam and visited Hanoi City.
You're right. What an ancient city.
I missed the time when we were wandering around Ho Kium Lake, which was really romantic.
Totally agree.
Do you know which place we will go next month?
No idea. It depends on our parents' decision.
Yeah, just wait and see.
Hi, John. What are you doing? Hey! Sorry, I didn't hear anything. I was listening to music. Is that what you have done all today? Will you do anything else? Well, I intend to play football with my team. Wow, so that's what you usually do for fun on the weekends? Not really. I have different activities to do each week. So, what did you do for fun last week? I climbed a mountain with my family. Wow, you're so sporty. Unlike me, I just stay at home and read books. I also see you reading books at our school library. What a bookaholic. Yeah, you're right. Is that your grandfather over there? That's right. Is he sleeping? Well, actually, he's listening to the radio. Wow, there are still some people using radios today? Yeah, that is one of my grandfather's things to do for fun. He often listens to the news on his radio. Talking about news, I usually listen to it with my podcast app on my phone. Me too. But grandfather once said that he hated technology stuff. Oh, that's quite easy to understand. Yeah, I find it interesting that we, the youth and our grandparents, rarely have anything in common. What else do they do for fun? You and I may not like going to the museum, but my grands visit it quite regularly. They love standing there for hours to observe the art. That activity is quite boring to me. I'd rather go camping with friends. Yeah, I agree. Oh, I have to go now. Do you want to watch me play football? Sure, I'll go with you. Let's go.